Alright guys, we are back for our first episode of the Pontiac GTO Super Stocker. Remember we unboxed this one in our last episode. Here it is again. We're going to be working on this. If you don't remember from the unboxing video, or you haven't, make sure you check it out. First car model I've built where you don't build the engine first. You're actually going to build the chassis and put the wheels on it first before you even put the engine together. Kind of exciting, makes it a little bit more interesting. So here's what we got. I'm going to go ahead and get this put together, and I will be back when it's done. Alright fellas, we're back. Made some progress. Got all of our wheels all taken care of here. Decided to go with aluminum color for them. The back's nice and black. Went ahead and put some primer on this bad boy. Got it all primered up. I'm going to go throw some paint on it. I think this is dry enough for it. I went ahead and painted the chrome bumper. It's going to be the same color as the car. Not going to get too fancy with it. I'm actually forgetting the piece I got to put on the front here, like a little bumper or something. So I'm going to get that on before I paint it. So we got that taken care of. Next up we got our chassis all put together. I got my little clamps on here because this little piece doesn't fit into anything. It just goes right onto the outside of the frame. So it's like a bumper. So basically got to weld it on with the glue. So yeah, I can show you. I'll take one off. This should be dry enough. Yeah, you just stick it right on the side here and glue it on. So yep. Get our battery on. If you can see it right here. So we'll get some primer on the chassis as well, and get the battery detailed out a little bit. And yeah, that's what we got. So when I come back, we'll have some paint on the car and chassis primered, and that should pretty much do it for this one. So I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back, and here is the color I chose. Kind of a, it's like a black bronze. Really love it. It's a pretty color. Hitting the light shines really good. Kind of got a nice bronze color, but you get away from light, it's got a nice black color. So I think that's going to be a really pretty color. And I'm going with an orange for the chassis and roll cage, which is still drying. This is too. I don't want to make sure I don't touch this, but yeah, this is what we're going to go with for the body. So, yep. All right, we're going to end the episode here, guys. If you don't mind, give me a like and give me a comment. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.